You would like something sweet to enjoy while you relax with one of your favorite books? Well, here at the Sci Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with caramel apple crisp. So let's get started. Let's prepare the caramel sauce. Time to get the apples ready. Let's prepare the crisp topping. Let's build the apple crisp. Set your timer for 40 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Apples were first cultivated 10,000 years ago, with evidence suggesting they originated in Central Asia, particularly around present-day Kazakhstan. Apples quickly spread across Europe and Asia. European settlers brought apples to North America in the 17th century. Those look great right out of the oven. If you like and enjoy this channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This caramel apple crisp is a perfect balance of rich flavors and delightful texture. This dessert can be enjoyed with or without a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It is simply irresistible, and you and your guests, friends, and families will absolutely love it. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. A great dessert and a good book is a great combination. Stay with us. Check out the next video.